Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about investing, finance, and making your money work smarter for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today we're diving into the 5 most popular stock investing brokerage apps you should know about in 2025. Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned trader, these apps make it super easy to buy, sell, and manage your investments right from your phone. Segment 1, Robinhood. First up, Robinhood. It's one of the pioneers that made commission-free trading the industry standard. The app is sleek, beginner-friendly, and lets you trade stocks, ETFs, crypto, and options all in one place. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks like Tesla or Apple with just a few bucks. Pros: easy to use, no fees, fractional shares. Cons: limited research tools not ideal for advanced traders. Segment 2, Fidelity. Next, we've got Fidelity, a trusted name in the investment world. Fidelity combines a powerful app with tons of research tools, retirement planning options, and excellent customer service. It's great for long-term investors who want access to mutual funds, IRAs, and ETFs, not just stock trading. Pros: full-service brokerage, strong research, retirement tools. Cons: slightly complex interface for beginners. Segment 3, eTrade. Number 3 is eTrade, a long-standing brokerage that offers a balance between beginner accessibility and advanced trading tools. Their Power eTrade platform is especially popular for active traders who want detailed charts and analytics. Pros: great for all experience levels, strong trading platform. Cons: some advanced features can feel overwhelming for casual users. Segment 3, Webull. Coming in at number 4, Webull. Think of it as a mix between Robinhood's simplicity and eTrade's analytics. Webull is perfect if you like more technical analysis. The charts are beautiful and there's a ton of free data to play with. Pros: commission-free, detailed charts, paper trading. Cons: just lacks mutual funds and limited educational content. Segment 5, Charles Schwab. And finally, Charles Schwab. Known for its reliability and customer-first approach, Schwab's app gives you access to CA's commission-free trades, a wide range of CA ETFs and mutual funds, and even automated investing through Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Pros: trusted brand, low fees, strong customer support. Cons: interface not as flashy as newer apps. So those are the 5 most popular stock investing apps in 2025: Robinhood, Fidelity, eTrade, Webull, and Charles Schwab. Each one has its strengths, so the best choice really depends on your investing style. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling me which app you use, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.